What's up guys, it's Phoebe. I'm here at the Magic Kingdom tonight. Now it is 8 p.m. right now and the park closes at 10. So I thought it'd be fun to just head over after work and see how much we can get done. I don't want to watch the fireworks, I just want to make my way around and we'll keep like a little head count and see what all we do in basically a little under 2 hours. So with that being said, if you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe and let's go have some fun. Now, it's a little crowded on Main Street right now because the park is clearing out. It usually also fills up for fireworks around Main Street at this time. So we're gonna just head on out of this mess. Also, it looks like over here at Tomorrowland Terrace, they're having one of the dessert parties. So this dessert party, you can see it happening right down here. It's a separate ticketed event and it takes place during the fireworks. So you have a buffet of all different kinds of desserts. It's all you can eat and you sit down and you get to enjoy them while you watch the fireworks. All right, look at this. This is Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. It's posted, can you see it? Yes, it's posted at 50 minutes. Do not ever wait 50 minutes for this ride. Also, if you're coming midday, the entire queue is outside. So when it's hot outside, you're waiting in basically an outdoor queue entirely. All right, so PeopleMover is posted at 52. It looks like we're at pretty steep wait times for almost everything, but I would rather wait 50 minutes for PeopleMover than for Buzz Lightyear. Also, in regards to the dessert party, I actually have done it 2 to 3 times. I did it a few years ago though, when I think it was more worth it at that point in time. I think now it's like $140. They offer it at the Halloween party too, and I will say, do not do it during the Halloween party. You still have to pay extra money to get into the dessert party, and you're already paying a ticketed price to get into the party in general. So you're ending up spending like $300 and you're wasting well, it's not wasting, but you're spending 2 of the hours that you would spend at the party at the dessert party, and you only have 6 hours to begin with for the Halloween party. So if you're curious in trying it, just do it when it's not a party day. I think I'm just gonna keep walking all the way through Tomorrowland and we'll loop around a new Fantasyland area. I just like walking around there at night and I don't do it very often. This is one that I will always skip. It's cute for kids. My brother rides this and he somehow figured out how to make the car go backwards, and he would make me look like I kept hitting him when in reality it was him driving backwards. I don't even know how you do that. So we are walking to the left of the Seven Dwarf Mine Train, and over here you have Storybook Circus. We are taking the back way over to the Little Mermaid right now. I think that's a good way to kick off our night. All right, it was like a 5-minute wait, not bad at all. It stopped right when I got on, but now it seems to be moving again.
Under the sea, under the sea.
Said something about being in love with a human. We sent her to Ursula.
Oh, unfortunate souls indeed. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my, like a boy too shy, gonna kiss me girl.
See, everything worked out swell for Eva. Of course, sometimes
Here you are.
8:30 and we've done one thing. So we're not doing very well, but that's okay. We're just gonna keep walking. Whoa. Guys, look at this. Haunted Mansion is at a 13-minute wait, which for Haunted Mansion and Tower of Terror, if it's posted at 13, that means it's a walk-on. So we are gonna walk on it. Oh, here we are. Hello there. Thank you. Ooh, spooky.
When ghosts are present. Foolish mortals to the haunted mansion. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? Oh my God. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive. For 1,000.
And of course, I have to say hello to Phoebe. I don't think I've ever walked on Haunted Mansion before, so that was really cool. And now we have 2 things added to our list. And if you can't tell behind me, they have the fireworks music being piped in right now. So it should be starting in like 5-ish minutes. So I'm not sure where we're heading now. I think I'm gonna let's head to Big Thunder and see if we can catch it during the fireworks.
I said it like.
In just a few minutes, the Magic Kingdom invites you to enjoy our nighttime spectacular.
Cause this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Wow. That was so much fun, and it was a complete walk-on. I had to wait until 9 hit to finish the queue. That way I would get to ride it with the fireworks going on. And fireworks are so amazing, but if you're looking for rides with no waits, I mean, look at Adventureland right now. It's the finale happening behind me, and there is no one here. All right, fireworks just ended. Pirates is a 10-minute wait. Probably means it's a walk-on. That was perfect timing. We got to see the finale. So let's go ride Pirates now. The list is growing. Alrighty, a walk-on. Also, towards the end of the pirate queue, you have this pretty balcony area. I want to live up there. I know that there's a ghost that the cast members say lives in this ride. George, I think. I don't care. Right there. I would totally live here. It's just me on a boat. Arg. Here we go.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet.
This is just a little spooky. There's like no one in the boats 4 ahead of me, and I'm alone in this boat. But there's someone right there. Will they wave hi? Oh my goodness, we got a wave, guys. That's so nice. They usually don't wave. I guess since I'm in a boat by myself, this means I could kind of like talk and tell you my favorite things, unless that's annoying. If it is, just mute me. So if you hadn't ridden this before, I guess pre-COVID, they had mist that used to come down right here, and it would project Barbosa, I think, and then Davy Jones on it. And I miss that mist. I think they should bring it back. They also used to have mermaids that would swim in these waters and sing their siren song, which I also loved, and they took them out. Ooh, okay, probably my favorite thing. If you look right ahead, like right here, can you see my finger? It's a rock that looks like a skull. I think that is so cool. And once you get close to it, it breaks apart and you can't see it anymore. I just think that is genius, and Disney Imagineering needs a big, long time. Also, here's another place in Pirates where I want to live. This patio right up here. I would live in this ride. Now, if you've never been on this ride, this part right here, the pirate is offering the cats rum, and it smells so good over here. It smells like banana and marshmallow, honestly, but not complaining. It's very good. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
Great song.
Have a great night. Thanks for being
Thank you, you too. All right, it is 9:30 on the dot. So we have 30 minutes left until the park closes. Let's just keep heading through Adventureland, maybe? I have no idea what I want to do. All right, we're cutting through Adventureland right now and heading right back into Frontierland. I want to head over to Fantasyland, I think. That is where we'll end our night. Also, everything will be a little crowded now that the fireworks are out, but that's okay. I think we'll settle on like one more thing. While we are passing by, Columbia Harbor House is probably my favorite quick service restaurant in Magic Kingdom. If you've never had it before, they have a lot of seafoods. Their trio seafood platter is really good. Get it with the hush puppies. So if you've never tried this restaurant before, it's right across from the Haunted Mansion. Which line? Oh, the line is so long for that now. See, that's why you ride it when the fireworks are happening. You know what? I'm actually thinking of ending on PeopleMover. So let's keep walking.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the PeopleMover.
All right, we've got a basic walk-on for the PeopleMover. Much better than the 50-minute wait time a minute ago.
Close automatically. Enjoy your journey.
The perks of riding alone.
The next station is Tomorrowland Urban Planning and Star Traders. Transfer to green and red lines.
Don't worry, your express train keeps on rolling through the future.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
Attention all visitors from Galaxy M31. Please keep forward-facing tentacles clear of oncoming vehicles.
It looks like they have an overhead light on, which allows you to kind of see the track a little more.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Transit Authority Station.
My fellow sentient life forms, our PeopleMover journey has nearly come full orbit.
Buzz is a 10-minute wait. We're gonna go hit that. I've got 3 minutes to get in line before close. We can do it. Am I gonna be that really annoying person who waits until 9:59 to get in line? Yes, I am. Alrighty.
Welcome, my friends.
Hi, thank you. Hello. Thank you. Alrighty, here we go. I'm putting this up. I'll update you afterwards. Yeah, let's go. I maxed out in the 4th room, I think. Well, that was a really nice end to the night, not gonna lie. And it is 10:06 right now, so the park is officially closed. I am just making my way over to Main Street and then we'll sign off there. All right, guys, I am back over by the Main Street area, and I think this is where I'm gonna be signing off. We got so much done. So we did Little Mermaid, then we did Haunted Mansion, then we did Big Thunder, then we did Pirates, then we did PeopleMover, and then we did Buzz, all in under 2 hours. That's impressive. And I got Galactic Hero. This was a good night. We did a lot. I was honestly expecting to only get like 1 or 2 things done, so I am proud of myself. And thank you guys so much for coming along with me. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss my next videos, and I will see you guys next time.